Buenos dias. Okay, guys, we are Vlogmas day. I don't know. I just know. Oh my god. You guys, my piercing came out while I was sleeping. And I thought I lost it, but I just found it. Oh, wait. Okay. Bubby is still sleeping. We just woke up. My dad brought in this rocking chair from out here. He is so funny for that. These two people right here freak me the fuck out. Last night I was gonna come out here and smoke. I was like, I don't know. I don't think I can keep a straight face while these statues are just hanging out right there. So, yeah. I'm trying to put this fucking piercing in this fucking. El huequito ahí.
Meterlo y ya.
Yeah.
Eddie, ¿quieres agregar algo?
Sí. Pero lo que tú dijiste fue tan hermoso que no puedo añadir nada.
Suena justo.
Yeah.
Sí.
Yeah.
Lo siento.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks, Dad. Okay, so we're.
Ya vamos.
Es que vamos como se va a parar. Mía.
Ya vamos.
Voy a llevar mi computadora a ver si sirve. You guys, I'm trying to upload the third Colombia part just so I can get it out of the way so we can start Vlogmas good. I am pre-filming a little bit just because I am on vacation, and as you guys can see, it's a little difficult, but it's okay. It's all good. Y'all still getting everything with me, okay? Last year, I definitely did Vlogmas in real every single day time, but I'm just trying, you know, you guys are gonna get it. Y'all get it. Y'all get me, right? Y'all get me. At least I'm not like 3 months behind. It's only like a week. But as you guys can see, it's just a little difficult being out here. I'm on an island and I have no service. I'm taking my laptop with me to breakfast, so to see if maybe I can get some service and upload. I doubt it'll work, but you never know. I just might.
La cambiar.
Yeah. Yeah.
Y se enredó con una ucraniana.
Oh, yo me acuerdo. Yo estaba ahí cuando lo estaban viendo.
Y pues viste que si era verdad que sí existía la vieja o no.
Porque no me
Sí
siento
existía.
bien con él.
¿Y sabes cuánto le había mandado?
Bueno, imagina que viva
$50,000.
con él y sea infeliz toda mi vida. Sí me preocupa que mis hijos sean felices y tengan un futuro. Pero yo no quiero ser infeliz.
No.
My dad is hooked on 90 Day Fiancé. He's watching that right now. He's hooked. Like, he's seen all the episodes, all the seasons, all the everything. He loves 90 Day Fiancé. That's his shit.
Toda esta relación de mi culpa de un año quizá haya sido solo por dinero.
Claro, mijo, ese sí le dieron duro.
Pensé que era real.
¿Cuánto le sacaron a ese?
¿A quién? Estos nuevos. Los otros capítulos ya acabaron, fue la historia. Ah, no, César volvió a aparecer. Que volvió a ir para Ucrania y que a conocer viejas. Ah,
Yeah. You guys, my dad is.
allá los de uñas ganan muy buena plata, ¿o qué? No,
No sé. Si son independientes, sí.
no traen nada.
Okay, guys, so we just had breakfast. It was so delicious. I really like it here. I think that what I don't like is the whole Wi-Fi thing. Like, the whole Wi-Fi thing really gets me. But this little sitting area here, so cute. I think I talked about this yesterday. Yeah, I really like this place. I think it's really, really cute, very authentic Caribbean. Very, very authentic Caribbean. I really like that. I appreciate it. I think it's great. I think it works. It's a really nice touch to a vacation. I feel like when everything's just so aesthetically pleasing, you know, just very black and white, luxurious. Pon en el piso.
No, hombre.
Why? It's just kind of like, oh, you know, the Ritz, the Carlton, the Ritz, the Four Seasons. This is very authentic Colombian Caribbean, and I like that. I appreciate it a lot. So, oh my God, se le va a salir.
¿Se va a salir ahí?
Ah, no, eso es un pedazo de arepa. Dad, huele, está podrida. Dad.
Me la va a comer.
Ew! We're gonna change Belle's diaper because she is rotten in there. And we're gonna head to the beach. We're out. We out. ¿Vas a llevar tu gorra y tus gafas, padre? We outside. We outside, bellies. ¿Y tu teléfono? Well, we don't have to pay for these, so we might as well get a front row seat right here. This one. Pa, ven, dejemos las cosas acá. Raher. We don't gotta pay for these, right? These are free. ¿Qué pasó? Yo sé. Pero es mitad. Mira, es perfecta. Mitad y mitad. Y no pagamos por esto, so ya pagamos, right? So, aprovechemos. Porque nos estamos quedando acá. ¿Qué importa la sombra? Yo me quiero broncear. Yo estoy blanca. Right? I don't want no shade. What the fuck I want shade for?
Y compra ya.
¿Compra toallas? Yo tenía dos toallas en la casa. Yo pensé traerlas. Help. Okay, so remember how I said that I really liked it, and I'm like giving you guys like an experience of my time here. I like it. I don't like the Wi-Fi thing. The towels for the beach or the pool. That's important. What else? Everything else, I mean, the cleaning could be better, but you don't gotta ask me about that, because if I stay anywhere, I'm gonna always say the cleaning could be better. Or not. Or the place could just be really, really, really clean. But, I mean, we are the only ones here. Right now, we're not the only ones here. So, the way that this works here is, I hope that I'm speaking loud enough. I really hope that I'm speaking loud enough that I can block out the music, because there's music on both sides of the hotel right now. On the Mia, no. On the damn, she took the bow off. It's crazy. Mia. Belly. Bologna. Macaroni. Let's put some sunblock on, girl. Damn, I think my dad was going to the room. I should have told him about the tripod. It's okay. We always work with it, right? We'll work with it. We'll work with what we got, Belly. My bologna macaroni. Mia. Hi, Bells. Yes, my bellies. Is this my first vacation with my daughter? With only my daughter. This is because it is, because this is my first vacation with only my daughter. Because I only have one daughter. Miss Baloney. Mabelle. Hi, Mabelle. Baby, are you on vacation with mommy? I have to take a vacation with miel. I feel like a vacation with miel would just... Oh, she's fine. A vacation with miel is so needed. Me and my miel. He deserves it. My miel deserves it. We're the only ones here now. There's people here. And they're leaving. They're obviously not going to stay here. They're just here because they're having a party. Let me show you guys where they're having a party. Let me show you guys their party. I hope we're invited because we're the only ones here. They ain't gonna see nobody else. They ain't gonna see nobody else except the workers because we are the only ones here today. We're the only ones staying here. And I assume until tomorrow because nobody else that I saw came. I mean, there are other people there. I don't know if they're with the party though. But I know that there's a party. I don't know if everyone's here with the party. You know what? Matter of fact, I don't know shit. Anyway. Anyway, bow. Hi, bow. What a turn of events. What a turn of events. What a turn of events. You never expect this is gonna happen until it happens to you, right? It's happening to me. It's happening to me. So I'm just laughing because, you know, for the vlog. Just for the vlog, rain. Come on, Mother Nature, pull through with the rain. Pull through with the rain. I mean, really, what are we gonna do? We're just gonna pray for it to stop raining and become a super beautiful day. I feel really bad. Oh shit, my bag's getting wet. I feel really bad for the people that are having a party here because it's a party, you know, they paid for this. I would be mad as hell if I paid for a birthday and it started raining, bro, and it starts pouring. I would be mad as hell if I was having a party here. Oh my god, I think we should go because I'm getting wet. Damn, it's pouring. It's pouring. I mean, I guess if we get wet, let's just put everything away so nothing else gets wet. Just like, whew, if we get wet, it's okay. You know, if we get wet, it's okay. Let me just put everything away. Yo, it's pouring. Even the camera's getting wet. Even the camera's getting wet. Oh, it's pouring. Papi, vamos?
¿A dónde?
¿Pa adentro?
A la fiesta.
¿No? ¿Estamos mejor aquí?
¿Te estás mojando?
Pues sí.
Ahí no estás mojando.
He said, you're getting wet. I'm like, yeah. He's like, well, isn't that what we came for? It's kind of pouring. So we literally got here. It was gorgeous, gorgeous. You guys saw a few minutes ago, it was gorgeous. These curtains are dripping. It's just me and my bow. It's just me and my bow. Let me close this shit up. It's really open. Ballet! This sucks. Oh, okay. We're gonna go. I'm gonna go get in there. Should we wait a few minutes? I think we're gonna wait a few minutes. We're gonna wait a few minutes. She took the hat off. She ripped the hat off. She saw my mom's not looking. I'm gonna take this shit off. I'm gonna take this thing off. She took that thing off. Alright, so I think we're just gonna wait it out a little bit. I'm gonna take some pictures. I can't even go on TikTok, Instagram, text anybody, you guys. I'm completely disconnected from the world right now. Kind of sucks, but it's all good. I don't mind.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside.
where we're at. So the day definitely opened back up. I'm so happy about that. So happy about that. I'm really happy to be here. This is such an experience. I was just telling my dad I really miss my kids, like a lot. I'm really happy to be here. So happy to be here. I miss my kids. I'm so sad my kids are not here. But I definitely need a vacation with Miel. I definitely need a vacation with Miel. I'm already thinking like, where can I take Mieli? Where can I take Mieli that he'll have like such a good time? So we'll see. We'll see what we do. So we here with it. Remember how I said earlier when I was like, I'd be mad as hell if I paid for a party and it's raining, and I was like, they're gonna invite us, we're the only ones here. So yeah, so more people came. The people for the party came. So this is how it is today. So today it's us only here staying. There's the day guests, and then there's a day guest group that's having a party. They came, and now everybody's just enjoying. So I think let's see. This is where we check in with what I feel about the place. I really like the location. I think it's really beautiful. I think the beach is gorgeous. It's great. My dad says that he wishes the beach was a little bit bigger. I don't really care. I think the beach is a perfect size. I mean, for me, just because I get the whole point. Like they said, so when we got here, the guy was saying, he was like that they closed all the beaches because of something. Only one island, so I think it's made up, so Islas del Rosario is made up of 32 islands. Damn, they just put music, and I think I'm gonna have to speak up so you guys can hear me and not the music, because if y'all hear the music and y'all don't like if my voice doesn't overpower the music, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Pretty much the guy, when we were getting here, he was explaining to us like a little bit of background on the islands. He said that the Islas del Rosario is where we are, you know, the location is made up of 32 islands. This is one of them. So this is all Isla Grande, and then this is Isla Lisamar. He said that only Isla del Rosario, like Rosario, that the one island that has the name, has the beach. We have a beach, but it's not like a literal beach, you know what I mean? So this is pretty much what they mean by like, so I don't know, I guess, I mean, to me this is a beach, because it's up to like right there to those rocks, and then right here, right there where you guys see the slide, you can get down. There's chairs and stuff, and people are standing. I don't know if you guys can see, like, yeah, right there. People are standing, and you see that man standing right there. That man right there, he's standing. So when you go off the slide, whatever, you land there, it's standing distance. It's not like too deep. It's pretty shallow. I mean, you guys see people standing, it's pretty shallow, but I guess they don't consider this like an actual beach. My dad says he wishes it was bigger. I don't mind. Alright, I just changed batteries. Thank God I brought extra batteries. I have like 6 batteries. I actually have to put all of the ones that are not charged to charge tonight, so I could be like stocked. I brought 3 batteries with me. I just changed them. Hi. So we're here with it. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day. We got really lucky. We definitely got lucky because it was pouring. But it definitely opened up. It opened up. It's a beautiful day. Let's see what they got for lunch. Hi guys. I want to film you guys the food section. The food yesterday was mad good. Bellies! The food yesterday was mad good. I'm so excited because it's about to be rocking today again. I don't know what I want to get. I already know I want arroz de coco. Oh, they got the same fish from yesterday. Hola. I'm excited.
Cold last night, last night, last night, last night. It's cold last night, last night, last night.
Creo que se fue detrás de la silla. I know. I know. So we're just here. The people there are still enjoying their day. The day guests are leaving now. Everybody's boarding. We're just here. Hi, Belle. So there's a lot of people in the pool. Anxiety. That gives me some major anxiety. Oh, this is so cute. There's like a little 8 pool thing. Nobody comes to these pools. I wonder why. Let's just go upstairs and smoke. Such a gorgeous day. I'm so thankful to be here. Super thankful to be here. Got some color. We got some color to us. Okay, look what the store has. If Amias was here, he would probably want something. Oh, that is so cute. These bags are really cute. She never told me the price. I think I might get one before I leave. I'm not gonna lie. So beautiful. Such a beautiful day. I told my dad I want to... Oh, he's quick. Yo, my dad is so funny. Yo, he's so funny. Look at him. I was about to say, I told my dad I want to go in the water. But he's in the water. He beat me to the water. My phones. Yo, my dad is so funny. He literally beat me to the motherfucking water. It's a really pretty afternoon. Let me show you. So this is where they're having the little party. So cute. Little bungalow. Very cute. Very cute. Such a vibe. I would have so much fun here. Throwing a party? Me, a party? So I'm showered, I am moisturized, my scalp is moisturized. ¿Qué pasó? I put some oil on my scalp. I put some Jamaican, right here I have some on my knuckle. I put some Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp because we was in the sun today. I moisturized every part of my body. Now I have to spray myself with some because unfortunately, well, I mean, we're on an island, so I don't really know what to expect. We're gonna go get Zena. Today was a beautiful day. I'm so happy to be here. I really am. This animal smells strong. Hi, Val. Hey, Dad. Here. Shorty is tan. Okay. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.